Hello, welcome to Some Dude's Kitchen. If I look exactly like how I do in the tofu video, this is something I'm doing to help during that 30 minutes before I catch up my dishes and stuff. So first, you'll need to make sure your hair is back, wash your hands, wash the counter, and then also, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe. And then in my link tree is also my other socials. I'm most active on TikTok, and then my Patreon specifically to be able to keep this content going for like food costs and stuff like that. Yeah, that's all there. So, cranberry relish. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm tired of the same old cranberry dish. I love cranberries, but after I found this while I participated in Weight Watchers, I wasn't there to lose weight. I was there to make sure I was eating enough, because I was like weightlifting and stuff back then, and I was calorie counting way too hard on my FitnessPal. So that's where this recipe came from. Is one black cat helper, food processor, cranberries, lemon juice, white sugar, brown and coconut don't work in this at all, and then 2 things of applesauce. I get unsweetened. First thing you want to do is get your cat off the counter. Tell them they're a good cat. And she's off laying down somewhere else now. Food processor, you want to take your bag of fresh cranberries. It only works with fresh. I have tried frozen, I've tried canned, doesn't work. So put the whole bag in there. And then you're going to want to chop it until it's like a relish consistency. And if this would matter to you, a mechanical soft kind of consistency. Alright, let's open this up. I did have to open it a couple times to make sure the whole berries made it down to the blades, but see? It's like a little relish consistency here. Pretty nice. And then you want to dump this in a big bowl. Alright, I hope I have this at an okay spot. It's actually sitting on top of the tofu plates. I was not smart and grabbed this first, but we got it now. Alright, so as you can see, got the cranberry chopped up into a relish texture. And then this is where we start adding everything else. So, 2 applesauces, just like that. And then here we go. And then a 1/3 cup of sugar. Like that, and then sorry, my hands are having a hard time gripping this lid and opening it. There we go. Okay. You do a couple of squirts like that of lemon juice, and then you stir it. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but you can see how, I don't know, the edges are softer. It's yeah. I'm trying to describe it the best I can. And then you want to taste test it, because depending on the batch of cranberries you got, sometimes they're a little bit more sour, sometimes they're more sweet, so we can adjust it. And once you have that taste tested to how you like it, I had to add more sugar because these were sour, and not everybody likes sour here. You want to put it in a Tupperware container, stick it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, best served after chilling overnight.